Live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams. One life, one chance, call us.
Today we are in Saint-Tropez, Saint-Tropez, France. This is an island off the coast of France, and it is the billionaire's playground.
Lots of yachts, lots of ladies to be seen, and big packages of Valentino and Chanel and what have you. And all their little bitty dogs are walking at least 3 feet behind them, just as happy as they can be. It was kind of cute to watch. And lots and lots of gorgeous art galleries, and of course the street art, and little city parks that you can sit outside and enjoy the beautiful peace. And there's always, again, these little fountains where you can get water for yourself as well as your little puppies. And they really like the little four-legged creatures here because they always have the little puppy bowl sitting outside of all the shops.
Yeah, it's early in the season, so the yachts that we saw were only 8 or 10 of them in, but usually they're anchored out in the harbor and everywhere. And you know, it's a place to see and be seen.
And it's a gorgeous place just to walk around. You definitely can enjoy the day just leisurely, enjoying it, having a cappuccino, having a pastry as we did. I'll tell you, I wish we were here longer, as I say in a lot of these places, just to have a nice dinner. Wouldn't that be fun?
It would, but...
Yep, here we go again.
It was really delightful, just sort of moseying around the various side streets and alleys, and Saint-Tropez is just such a relaxed, laid-back place with plenty of places to stop to eat, and shopping is, of course, of the area, and Gucci, Mucci, Pucci, Shucci, they're all there, and people enjoy visiting those stores.
Start with, I want to emphasize something, a little bit of a difference in the way the old world is going to look at.
Which one?
Along the way, we stopped for a little wine tasting and a description of the local wines by our guide, which was very, very well done and informative. Besides all the top couturier shops, there were also very interesting, eclectic shops where you could find things that are very unusual. And then we came upon the most famous pastry store in Saint-Tropez, and it was time for a snack. it was delicious. As you can see, coming up.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, I looked them up earlier.
Alright, we got here, we got a little pistachio glacé. And I have a Tropezine.
Want me to open it? Oh my goodness, look at that thing. And I have much worse, but mine's going to be eaten in segments. Chocolate with caramel and nuts.
From La Patisserie by Cyril
You see it?
Minac, which is probably the most expensive pastry we'll ever have.
But Richard said this is the best, the greatest that you could possibly get in Saint-Tropez. As usual, I seem to find coffee ice cream no matter where I travel. And here we are in France, and the first thing I find is coffee. And it's very good, very different. And guess where I get it? I get it in a wonderful pastry shop. The cookie was chocolate, caramel, and peanut, and oh, I'm savoring it. It's probably going to be about 6 desserts, I take it or leave it. That's if I can hide it from Richard.
dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams, one life.
Thank you
one
for
chance
watching, and as
on
always, hit that
stroll.
subscribe button, that notification bell, and see all the videos we have coming in the future. Thank you.
YOLO adventure! YOLO adventure!
Stars reach for the sky.